In this myth, a common wedding tradition is being accused of murdering innocent birds. Tossing rice at the end of a wedding ceremony is meant to symbolize rain, which is said to be a sign of prosperity, fertility, and good fortune. However, more recently, wedding meddlers have cautioned against throwing rice because it has been rumored to harm unsuspecting birds who swoop down and eat it once the crowd has left. Due to the fact that rice is dehydrated, it tends to immediately begin absorbing water upon entering the moist environment of the bird's body. This is when the rice begins to swell up, and if there is enough of it in the bird's body, the bird will burst, killing the innocent little critter.